Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of the Culinary Professional. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support. From our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Assessments with assessment software with question banks, which include hundreds of matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer questions to assess student knowledge of the content in each chapter. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanying media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with the Culinary Professional includes the workbook, lab workbook, a video clip library with 60-plus videos, a recipe collection of 180 standardized recipes, and the Digital Companion website. The Digital Companion website is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. The Culinary Professional provides the foundational content needed for a career in the culinary arts. The text focuses on fundamental culinary techniques, food safety and sanitation, and food and equipment identification. Core culinary content is supplemented with chapters on culinary history, career success, front-of-the-house management, menu development, resource management, nutrition, and analyzing cuisines. At the end of each chapter, test prep questions assess knowledge and skills gained. In addition, a culinary skills lab challenges students to apply chapter content, and a chef's e-portfolio activity aids students in developing their portfolios. This new edition of the Culinary Professional includes updated and new content, including the following: Chapters organize into lessons to offer instructors more flexibility for assigning work, with review questions placed after each section that reinforce material. New content includes a chapter on guard manger, content on off-site catering and buffet design and layout, content on appetizers and hors d'oeuvres, content on fixed and variable expenses, prime cost, budgeting, and marketing techniques to increase sales and profitability. Expanded human relations management content to include leadership styles, motivational techniques, and mission/vision statements. And content on training procedures, designed for the beginning culinary student. The 5th edition of the Culinary Professional has been carefully planned to provide succinct sections of thought-provoking text directly followed by review questions throughout the lessons. Instructors can use these targeted review questions to assess comprehension for the specific learning outcome the content and assessment questions are designed to meet. The end-of-chapter activities are also correlated to specific numbered learning outcomes to easily connect application questions to important learning goals. Safety guidelines have been enhanced to ensure that students are aware of the potential risks when working in the fast-paced food service environment. The essential safety material throughout the entire curriculum has been expanded to include additional hazards in the workplace, electrical safety, personal protective equipment, and prevention of ergonomic injuries. Maintaining safe food is one of the most important tasks for food service professionals. This edition has been updated to meet the newest FDA food code published in late 2022. In coordination with experts in food allergies, critical updates were made to help students improve their knowledge of how to better serve individuals with food allergies. The instructional design of this textbook includes student-focused learning tools to help students succeed. Each chapter opener contains an essential question to foster inquiry and encourage students to learn the chapter content, and reading prep that provides quick and easy activities to expand reading skills. Lessons organize content into manageable chunks and include learning outcomes to clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be obtained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are numbered and correlated to related assessment elements to facilitate reporting and remediation, and key terms list the key terms to be learned in the chapter. Instructive graphics and illustrations engage students and expand content. Figures have been designed to communicate specific techniques and topics clearly and simply. Caption questions enrich and extend learning. Illustrated techniques provide step-by-step instructions for foundational techniques. Illustrated descriptions identify foods and equipment used in professional kitchens. A serving of math features provide tutorial for basic math concepts. Sanitation and safety features supply food and kitchen safety topics relevant to chapter content. Nutrition tidbit features share nutrition information relevant to chapter content. Chef's Notes features supply helpful hints and interesting facts relevant to chapter content. A serving of science features simplify fundamental food science concepts. A serving of history features provide interesting glimpses of the culinary field throughout time. Industry insights features provide useful information for succeeding in the culinary industry. Recipes apply chapter techniques to produce delicious dishes. Chef Glossary features dig deeper into chapter-related vocabulary. End-of-chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. Each review and assessment includes a summary point section that provides an additional review tool to reinforce learning outcomes. Test prep review questions that allow students to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. And core skills activities that link chapter content to various academic subjects and to career expectations in the areas of reading, writing, and speaking. Critical thinking questions develop higher-order thinking and problem-solving skills. Culinary Skills Lab provides an opportunity to apply chapter content. Chef's ePortfolio builds your ePortfolio for use when exploring volunteer, education, and training or career opportunities. The authors created this collection of standardized recipes especially for your use. You can locate recipes on this site either by performing a recipe title search, browsing by recipe category, or using the recipe index. Once you have located your recipe, either print it in portable document format, PDF, or in the online format. The online format allows you to scale the recipe automatically to the desired yield. Simply type in the desired yield where it reads Scale Portions to. Online recipes will adjust the yield for you automatically. You can also select to view the recipe in US or metric units of measure in the drop-down menu that reads View Measurement Units by. The Culinary Professional Animations library includes 38 animations to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. High-quality animation and crisp narrations enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. The lab manual that accompanies the Culinary Professional includes food preparation labs with lab-specific performance review rubrics. The lab manual also offers food safety and sanitation, equipment identification, and table service activities. The workbook that accompanies the Culinary Professional includes activities to help students recall, review, and apply concepts introduced in the book. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of the Culinary Professional. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about the Culinary Professional.